there, welcome to another installment of Storytime, mathematical Storytime with Miss Lindell and Ender. I'm Miss Lindell, and this is Ender. He's a puppy. Today's Storytime is going to be from the same book as it was last time, How Many Guinea Pigs Can Fit on a Plane? Except this time we're going to be asking a different question. The question is, what happens if you dig a hole straight down into the ground, and how far until you reach the bottom? This kind of reminds me of trying to dig to China as a kid. We used to go over to the neighbor's garden. I'm sure they loved it with their kids. And we would dig and dig and dig. And we said we were digging to China. I think we only ever made it a couple feet. But worth the effort. All right. Anyway, it depends on what you mean by the bottom. If you want to dig to the center of the Earth, it's about 3,958 miles to the very middle. But if you want to dig all the way through, it'd be twice that. So 3,958 times 2, which ends up being 7,916 miles to the other side. How did we get that using only mental math? Well, if you kind of break it apart, it's easier to do. So they took 3,958 to be 3,000 plus 900 plus 50 plus 8. And then they doubled each of those pieces and then added it all together. So they took 3,000 times 2, which is 6,000, 900 times 2, which is 1,800, 50 times 2, which is 100, and 8 times 2, which is 16, to get 6,000 plus 1,800 to be 7,800. And then they added 100 to that to get 7,900, and then 16 to that to get 7,916. What are you doing, buddy? So anyway, that is another easy way to do mental math. And the crazy thing is, the deepest that humans have ever dug is just 7.5 miles, or less than 1/1000th of the way across. I know, it's amazing, right? But if you want to dig deeper, you just have to remember that the center of the Earth is a 10,000 degree blob of iron and nickel. You'll need a super powerful heat suit to do that. So yeah, good luck digging to the center of the Earth, or digging to China, or wherever you choose to dig. That's all for this installment of Storytime with Miss Lindell and Ender. Tune in next time for another random mathematical question.